while you're new to any trade markets like stock market or maybe cryptocurrency market, which I would like to highlight it here, I have jumped into the cryptocurrency market on the suggestion of one of my close friend that cryptocurrency is a thing that you should look for and invest something, because there's the thing of the future, and I have discussed it in my earlier lectures also. There are various ways about investing in cryptocurrencies. You can be short-term trader, you can be long-term trader. You can look to profit on a day-to-day basis, or maybe you are the one who are planning your retirement and you like to accumulate good future and good base coins today, and maybe when its price is high 20 or 30 years down the line, you're in profit and you can live peacefully. While on the other hand, when it comes to in terms of investing the money, you can invest right now, or maybe you can wait for the dips, you can wait for the crash. But it's really difficult to envisage and predict the mood of the market, and many times the pace of the growth is so high that it's hard to predict when it will come down, and it's really abrupt and sort of attractive at the same time, because this variation is what can be turned into profit if used wisely. Either you can invest at the time of crash more, because your portfolio has already been invested into various cryptocurrencies, and when the price has already crashed, you're not having the money in your account. Or the investment can be other way around. If you're quite sure about the price is coming lower, you can sell it right then and then buy it later for the same amount at the lower price. You have in the profit in the terms of more coins. But these kind of things, what I've seen is, because it's hard to predict when it's going up how far it will go, and if it's going up, you're selling it right now while doing some loss trade. Other times you see the graph going, and in fact I have done this mistake before twice and thrice, and today it was thrice. It was one of the biggest sale I ever did. It was more than around 74 Cardano coins, and instantly the market recovered, and I thought it would further go down, and that was turned out to be the lowest point. So imagine how stupid it is to sell your asset at the point when it's the lowest. I don't know. I thought I would just buy it in a matter of seconds, but that time the server malfunctioned. It didn't responded well. For that moment, it kept showing the low prices, and when it did, it had already shot up by 3 or 4 rupees, and it could have easily converted into the loss of 2 or 3 coins, which is not at all a wise deal. So what can be done is just wait for the price to dip that much, so that at least you can have the no profit no loss. But what I think is the advice that you need not go, or you need not hit a target where the ball is going. You do not run behind it, rather you target the point where it's going to be. So it's more about thinking about future. And if a person is using his brain rather than emotion or impulses, surely he's going to have some profit. Maybe for some percentage he's going to make some losses, but overall it would be on the positive side. And when I pledge today that next time I'm not going to sell while it's on the downward spiral, because I've seen the moment I sell is the point which turns out to be the lowest, or maybe it's the well researched, then only this thing can be done. Otherwise the wait will be longer to get to my lower prices, and it's really difficult. Really too bad. Disappointed. I'm waiting for the price to dip and repent for my mistake and let it be normal. It feels good to have more coins in the portfolio rather than in the form of INR. It can go up and down, but at least you have the asset in the form of well-known cryptocurrencies. So anyways, lessons learned. So that's all from my side today. There you go. Bye. Take care.